Hi, I'm Marie and this is a quick overview of my Purple Peony Poppy tutorial. In this video I show you how I build up complex layers of small petals. It can really seem overwhelming at first to look at a subject and wonder where to start. So I hope that this quick video gives you an idea of how to approach a complex flower such as this. And if you'd like to take the full tutorial of this poppy, you can find it inside the Watercolor Members Club. This and 80+ more tutorials are instantly available to you when you join up. You'll find the link below. So here I work wet into wet, although I make sure not to add too much water to my painting, as they are all very small areas that I want to paint individually. And I want to be able to stay in control of where I put my paint and where that paint flows. But by dampening each petal first, I'm able to create a smooth transition within each one from the darkest tonal value, where the shadow is on the petal, to the lightest area, where the petal is receiving more natural light. And it's really important to do this so that I can create form on each little petal and create depth within the whole flower. So you can begin to see here how approaching each petal individually gradually builds up the area and the overall image of your poppy begins to naturally emerge. It's a very meditative process, and it's important to keep an eye on your subject, working out where the overall lighter and darker areas are over the whole flower as well. The more individuality and attention to tonal value that you work into your petals, the more interesting your finished image will be. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe in order to receive more upcoming tips and techniques from the tutorials that you'll find inside the Watercolor Members Club. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.